ACDelco Fuel System Cleaner 44K provides deep cleaning to the entire fuel system, including the fuel tank, pump, fuel lines, filter, fuel and exhaust ports, combustion chambers, injectors, spark plugs, O2 sensors, and the catalytic converter. This product poured in the tank breaks down baked-on combustion chamber deposits and allows them to be removed safely with no harm to any part of the exhaust system. Cleaning also occurs during the cool-down process between engine use, because the cleaning process first soaks and loosens baked-on deposits and then burns them safely in the combustion process. ACDelco Fuel System Cleaner 44K cleans the entire fuel system, eliminates hard starting, engine pinging, knocking, and hesitation, improves combustion performance, and lowers exhaust emissions. This service will restore the engine's original power and performance, ensuring maximum drivability. ACDelco Fuel System Cleaner 44K is recommended at every oil change or every 10,000 kilometers. Ask your GM authorized dealer for this service today.